Let's continue, team. In this session, let's start understanding what is free tier, how to know free tier details of multiple AWS services. There is a URL aws.amazon.com/free. You can execute, open any web browser. Okay, I already opened uh, Google Chrome and enter this URL aws.amazon.com/free. You no need to log in. You just enter this URL. Then you can see free plans and you can see explore our offers. You can select a service you want. So total 187 services comes under free tier. Okay. Select the service you want. Let's say I want to know EC2 details. You can go through this documentation. You can find complete free tier usage details. For EC2, for EC2, for free tier eligible, they give 1 GB RAM. Earlier, it was 1 core processor. Now, they added 2 core processor and 30 GB hard disk space, 1 public IP, 1 private IP, 1 public DNS, 1 private DNS, 1 public DNS, and 1 private DNS. They are going to give. Let me add this one. Let's say okay. So 1 GB RAM and 2 core processor. Earlier it was 1 core processor. Now they given 2 core processor and then 30 GB hard disk space, 1 public IP, 1 private IP, 1 public DNS, 1 private DNS. Earlier it was 12 months. They changed it to 6 months. They changed it to 6 months. So let's say if you created two EC2 instances, let's say you created two EC2 instances. So if you created two instances means 6 months by 2 means 3 months you can use two instances freely. So earlier it was only 1 core processor. Now they are giving 2 core processor. 2 core processor. Earlier one instance 12 months free, but now they are giving only 1 month. Now they are giving only 1 month. Sorry, 6 months. 6 months, not 1 month, 6 months. So clear, right? EC2 related. And if you in this user interface, right? Earlier, it is very, very informative. You can find the complete details in this free tier user interface. So here you can see uh, view details. See here you are seeing brief details. If you want more details, you can click on this one. And if you want pricing, you can click on this one. You can see pricing details. Pricing details. Earlier, you can see more information than this new interface, but every time they are modifying this user interface too. So for free tier, you will get these eligibilities too. Easy to instance. Coming to S3. Coming to S3, 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 they give 5 GB free for lifetime. If you want to use S3 service, S3 service, S3 service, 5 GB they are giving lifetime. If 5 GB failed, then it is pay as you go basis. You can click on pricing. You can see pricing calculator for your regions. Let's say select a region. I'm selecting region is Mumbai region or Hyderabad region. Let's say I'm selecting Mumbai region. Then once your free tier is completed, then what is the charges of your data size more than 5 GB if you use? Then so these are different prices. Later we are going to discuss different storage classes to reduce cost of S rating. Let's say some data we are using regularly, some data we are using occasionally. Such kind of occasional use data, instead of a standard storage class, we use different storage classes for reducing cost. Okay.